Bo Jackson with chronic hiccups. I didn't expect to see that today.
Maybe the best athlete of all time has hiccups.
It's been sidelined with hiccups.
I'm busy at the hospital sitting up with doctors probing me every way they can to find out why I got these hiccups. So
have we figured it out?
Hell no. I have done everything. Scare me, drink water upside down, smell the ass of a porcupine. It doesn't work.
Hiccups are one thing, but a hiccup burp, that's dangerous now.
It's kind of cool, but it's also tough.
It is kind of cool as you suck in and breathe out air at the same time, and it makes a noise like you just strangled a gargoyle.
That's probably a dangerous thing for some folks.
I like how Brent's like playing it off like he's built different. He's like, well, some folks, that could be a problem.
If you do that, I don't think you automatically die, is my point.
It's pretty close. It's like 90-10, you're dying.